Greetings from the main turnpike. I'm on my way to go look at a 71 Saab 96. Stay tuned. Wow, it's been a hot minute, hasn't it? Haven't made a video since 2019 when I picked up that commemorative Vintage 900, which I am not driving right now. That car ended up having some really nasty frame damage, and I ended up rebodying everything into a 93 900S, Imola red, doing Trionic 5 on it, and boy, is this thing sweet. I drove it out to South Dakota for the owners convention this summer, 3,800 miles round trip. What else is happened? Nikki and I got married, so that's a thing. Bought a house, so now I have a workshop, and in the absence of something to do this winter, the prospect of picking up a new project car has certainly been top of mind. So either way, we'll take a look at my shop at some point here, but oh, we got to do a little overtaking. Woohoo! 18 pounds of boost. We're about 10 miles out from going to take a look at this old Saab 96. My buddy Jeff has got it on offer. He found it in the barn. It hasn't been on the road since 1988. So maybe we'll do something with that. Let's see. There it is. All right, let's do this. So it's probably a no-go. It was all looking good until we found, let's see if cinematic mode can really focus here, but the entire pan underneath is gone, and that's structural. And this tower, half of it's missing. Floor's not great. Let me see if we can get any video under here, but I really came here intending to buy a car today. Sadly, this one's not the one. Well, that's a shame. I was really kind of hoping to buy a 96 today, but man, the rust, it never sleeps. But, you know, some positive outcomes. Got to help Jeff lift the car elsewhere. Maybe somebody else can use it for parts. As for me, the hunt goes on, and maybe I'll find something new, but stay tuned and we'll see what happens.